For centuries, financial systems have been the backbone of economies, evolving to meet the complex needs of societies. From ancient barter systems, humanity transitioned into coinage and eventually paper money. With the Industrial Revolution came centralized banks and global financial markets, enabling rapid economic growth. However, these traditional financial systems have never been without their challenges. From inflation and currency devaluation to banking crises and unequal access to financial services, the complexities compound. Traditional finance often struggles with issues of transparency, security, and inefficiency. Against this backdrop, the emergence of blockchain technology signals a potential paradigm shift. Understanding the evolution of financial systems helps us appreciate the disruptive potential of blockchain and cryptocurrency. Through this series, we'll delve into how blockchain is set to address many of these long-standing issues in finance and beyond. Next, let's explore the fundamentals of blockchain technology and why it's considered revolutionary. Stay tuned to uncover the basics and implications of this groundbreaking innovation. Welcome to the world of blockchain, a revolutionary technology redefining how we understand trust and transparency. But what exactly is blockchain? At its core, blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger composed of blocks that securely store data, ensuring transparency and immutability. Unlike traditional databases, blockchain operates without a central authority, allowing peer-to-peer transactions to flourish. Each block contains a cryptographic hash of the previous block, a timestamp, and transaction data, creating a secure, intertwined network. This structure makes tampering or altering historical data virtually impossible. Imagine a long chain of data, each link securely connected to the one before. This is the genius of blockchain. It operates on consensus mechanisms, requiring agreement from multiple nodes to validate transactions, ensuring security and accuracy. As we delve deeper, you'll discover how this technology functions and why it's a game changer in various industries. Stay tuned as we journey through the fascinating history and mechanisms of blockchain technology, uncovering its true potential. In 2009, an anonymous entity known as Satoshi Nakamoto introduced Bitcoin to the world, marking the inception of cryptocurrencies and ushering in a new era for digital finance. Bitcoin wasn't just another currency, it was a revolutionary concept that leveraged blockchain technology to ensure decentralization and transparency. Initially, a small, dedicated community of enthusiasts and developers explored the potential of this novel invention. Gradually, Bitcoin's promise of a decentralized financial system captivated a broader audience, raising questions and sparking debates. As we delve further, you'll see how Bitcoin's success paved the way for myriad other cryptocurrencies, each bringing unique innovations and challenges. The birth of cryptocurrencies marked the beginning of a transformative journey, reshaping our understanding of money, value, and trust. As we move forward, you'll see how blockchain technology underpins these innovations and explore its far-reaching implications. Blockchain technology is built on three fundamental principles: decentralization, consensus, and security. Unlike traditional centralized systems, blockchain operates in a decentralized manner, spreading data across a network of nodes. This structure ensures that no single entity can control the entire system, fostering transparency and resilience. At the core of blockchain's functionality are consensus mechanisms, such as proof of work and proof of stake, which guarantee that all participants agree on the current state of the blockchain. These mechanisms prevent fraudulent activities and ensure transaction integrity. The third pillar, security, is achieved through advanced cryptographic techniques. Each block in the chain is linked to the previous one, creating an immutable record. This makes it nearly impossible to alter past transactions without impacting subsequent blocks, thus enhancing security. Together, these principles enable blockchain to record and verify transactions in a trustworthy and efficient way. As we delve deeper, we will explore how these features make blockchain a game-changing technology. Stay with us to uncover the practical applications and transformative potential of blockchain. As we navigate the bustling world of cryptocurrencies, two names stand out prominently: Bitcoin and Ethereum. These digital assets have become household names, each renowned for their unique features and vast potential. Bitcoin, often referred to as digital gold, was the first cryptocurrency, introducing the concept of decentralized digital currency. It offers security and a finite supply, attracting those seeking an alternative to traditional financial systems. Ethereum, on the other hand, took the principles of Bitcoin and expanded on them. It introduced smart contracts, self-executing agreements directly written into code, enabling a new era of decentralized applications. Beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum, the cryptocurrency landscape continues to evolve, with other notable players like Ripple, Litecoin, and Cardano, each contributing unique innovations and use cases. Understanding these major cryptocurrencies is crucial as they form the backbone of an ever-growing digital economy. Stay with us to explore the broader impact and applications of blockchain technology. Decentralization is a core principle at the heart of blockchain technology. It's a system where power and control are distributed rather than centralized in a single entity. So, what exactly is decentralization? In essence, it's a method of distributing functions, control, and data across multiple nodes or participants, eliminating the need for a central authority. This structure offers numerous benefits over traditional centralized systems. For one, it enhances security by reducing single points of failure, making systems more resilient to attacks and breaches. It also fosters transparency, as every participant in the network has access to the same data, ensuring integrity and trustworthiness. Moreover, decentralization promotes efficiency and speeds up processes by eliminating intermediaries, often making transactions and operations faster and more cost-effective. In the context of cryptocurrencies, decentralization empowers individuals, giving them direct control over their assets without relying on banks or financial institutions. Next, we'll dive into the transformative role of blockchain in the finance sector, highlighting its applications and benefits. Stay tuned. Blockchain is ushering in a new era for the financial sector, bringing unparalleled security, transparency, and efficiency. From banking to trading, blockchain's applications are vast and transformative. By decentralizing data and enabling real-time ledger access, it minimizes fraud and ensures transparency for all transactions. This shift promises reduced costs and streamlined processes, presenting significant benefits for financial systems. The immutable nature of blockchain records fosters trust and eliminates the need for intermediaries, making financial services more accessible and inclusive. As we delve deeper, we'll uncover the diverse ways blockchain is revolutionizing industries beyond finance. While blockchain's roots are firmly planted in finance, its branches are reaching far beyond. In the supply chain, blockchain technology is revolutionizing how goods are tracked, enhancing transparency and efficiency across global networks. In healthcare, blockchain ensures the secure and ethical management of patient data, ushering in a new era of trust and confidentiality. But it doesn't stop there. From real estate to entertainment and from voting systems to sustainability initiatives, blockchain is making a profound impact. The ability to digitally authenticate, audit trails, and create immutable records resonates across various sectors. As we delve deeper into these applications, we'll see just how transformative this technology can be. So, as we move forward, you'll see the future possibilities and the challenges that come along with them. Despite its potential, the path forward for blockchain is not without challenges. Scalability remains a significant hurdle, with current systems struggling to handle large volumes of transactions swiftly. Regulatory concerns also loom large. Governments and regulatory bodies worldwide are grappling with how to integrate blockchain into existing frameworks, balancing innovation with consumer protection. Another critical issue is the environmental impact. The energy consumption of blockchain operations, particularly those involving proof-of-work protocols, has sparked intense debate about sustainability. These challenges cannot be overlooked as they shape the ongoing development of blockchain. Solutions are in development, but addressing these criticisms is essential for the technology's future viability. As we move forward, you'll see how innovators and policymakers are tackling these issues, driving towards a more sustainable and scalable future. In the ever-evolving world of technology, blockchain stands out as a beacon of innovation and potential. As we look ahead, the future of blockchain is not just promising, but transformative. Experts predict unprecedented advancements in scalability and efficiency, addressing current challenges and opening new frontiers. Imagine a future where blockchain underpins everyday transactions, from financial dealings to securing personal identities. With its decentralized nature, blockchain can revolutionize supply chains, healthcare data management, and even voting systems, ensuring transparency and trust at every step. The potential applications are endless, from creating digital currencies that are more accessible and stable to enabling smart contracts that automate and secure business processes without the need for intermediaries. Blockchain technology is set to redefine industries. As we navigate this technological evolution, one thing is clear: blockchain will continue to disrupt and innovate, offering solutions we can only begin to imagine today. Stay tuned to see how investing in this burgeoning technology could shape the financial landscape and beyond. The journey into the future of blockchain is just beginning, and it's poised to be groundbreaking. Investing in cryptocurrencies is an enticing prospect for many, given the allure of significant rewards. However, it's essential to navigate this space with a clear understanding of both opportunities and risks. Unlike traditional assets, cryptocurrencies are highly volatile, with prices often experiencing dramatic shifts in short periods. This volatility presents potential for substantial gains, but equally, it can lead to significant losses. Educating yourself about market trends, technological advancements, and regulatory changes can provide a more informed basis for your investment decisions. Additionally, being aware of the diverse investment options, from Bitcoin and Ethereum to emerging altcoins, can help diversify your portfolio. As we continue, we'll delve deeper into strategies to mitigate risks and maximize returns. Understanding these factors is crucial for anyone considering a plunge into the cryptocurrency market. Stay tuned as we explore the future landscape of blockchain technology, where decentralized finance and innovative applications offer even more opportunities and challenges. Decentralized finance, often referred to as DeFi, is revolutionizing the financial landscape. By leveraging blockchain technology, DeFi offers decentralized alternatives to traditional financial services. At its core, DeFi encompasses financial products and services that function without centralized intermediaries, like banks. Instead, they operate through smart contracts on blockchain networks. The rise of DeFi promises a more inclusive and transparent financial system, potentially upending how we think about money, lending, and investing. In traditional finance, control and data are often centralized, leading to inefficiencies and barriers for many. DeFi, on the other hand, democratizes access, giving anyone with an internet connection the ability to engage in financial activities. As DeFi continues to grow, it raises critical questions about the future of traditional finance. The impact could be profound, driving a shift towards more open, resilient, and fair financial systems worldwide. Explore how DeFi fits into the broader narrative of blockchain technology, its challenges, and its expansive potential. Join us in the next segment to delve deeper into the unique nature and applications of smart contracts. Smart contracts are set to revolutionize the way we engage in digital transactions. But what exactly are they? At their core, smart contracts are self-executing agreements where the terms are directly embedded into lines of code. This leads to unparalleled levels of automation and trust, drastically reducing the need for intermediaries. Imagine contracts that automatically execute when predefined conditions are met, without human intervention. This is the promise of smart contracts, paving the way for faster, more secure, and transparent dealings across countless industries. From simplifying supply chain operations to transforming legal processes, the applications of smart contracts are vast and varied. They can manage complex tasks like verifying ownership in real estate transactions, automating financial services, or even creating more transparent voting systems. As innovative as they are, smart contracts are just scratching the surface of what blockchain technology can offer. Their potential to foster trust and reduce friction in traditional systems marks a significant leap forward in the digital landscape. As we move forward, you'll see how smart contracts fit into the broader narrative of decentralized finance and beyond, illustrating their indispensable role in the future of blockchain technology and global commerce. As blockchain technology continues to evolve, it brings a promise of unparalleled transparency. However, this very transparency raises significant privacy concerns. Individuals and organizations worry about the exposure of sensitive information. Yet the blockchain community is not standing idle. Innovative solutions are in development to address these privacy issues. Technologies like zero-knowledge proofs and differential privacy aim to safeguard user data while maintaining the transparency that blockchain is celebrated for. Balancing privacy with transparency is not just a technical challenge, but a philosophical one. It requires a deep understanding of both the benefits and risks involved. As we venture into the future, finding this balance will be crucial to the widespread adoption of blockchain technology. By addressing these concerns head-on, we are ensuring a future where transparency does not come at the expense of privacy. As these solutions mature, the potential for blockchain to revolutionize various sectors while protecting individual privacy comes ever closer to realization. In our final segment, we'll summarize the transformative potential of blockchain and highlight key takeaways from our journey through this fascinating technology. Stay with us. As we conclude this comprehensive journey through blockchain and cryptocurrencies, let's reflect on the key insights we've uncovered. From understanding the evolution of financial systems to recognizing the transformative impact of blockchain technology, it's clear how these innovations are reshaping our world. We explored how blockchain operates, its applications beyond finance, and the exciting future prospects it holds. Blockchain and cryptocurrencies offer revolutionary solutions to many of today's challenges, providing enhanced security, transparency, and efficiency across various industries. But this is just the beginning. The potential for blockchain to further revolutionize our economies and daily lives is immense. So stay informed, keep learning, and don't miss the opportunities arising from these cutting-edge technologies. Visit our website to dive deeper into the world of blockchain and cryptocurrencies. Join our community to stay updated and explore the possibilities that lie ahead. The future is digital, decentralized, and full of promise. Be a part of this groundbreaking transformation. Thank you for joining us on this journey.